The twins are now kept busy pulling the cars for engines on the main line and for ships in the harbor. One morning, they arranged some cars and went away for more. They returned to find them all gone. The twins were most surprised. Their drivers examined a patch of oil. "That's diesel," they said. "It's a waddle?" asked Bill. "A Disesal, I think," replied Ben. "There's a notice about them in our shed. Coughs and sneezels spread Disesals. You had a cough in your smoke box yesterday. It's your fault the Disesal came." "It isn't. It is." "Stop arguing, you two," laughed their drivers. "Let's go and rescue our freight cars." Bill and Ben were horrified. "But the Disesal will magic us away like the freight cars." "He won't magic us," replied their drivers. "We'll more likely magic him. Listen, he doesn't know you're twins, so we'll take away your names and numbers, and then this is what we'll do."